Alright, so what is going on, guys? It is your boy, that Sneaker MI, back with another video. And today's video is super special. After many months of waiting and rumors and everything, this shoe is finally in my possession. And the best thing about it is I got it for the retail price. And you guys could probably guess by the title, yes, I got super blessed and I got them for retail. Super blessed. Let's get to the unboxing now. Now, before I get to the unboxing, guys, I just want to know that this shoe is reselling for crazy price. I'm super blessed that I got it for the retail price. The resale prices are absolutely crazy, and the prices are only gonna go up. I will be wearing this shoe. There hasn't been a sneaker release of this shoe just like this in a while. There has even been reports of this being the shoe of the year. Here it is, guys. You guys see the brown box already. But the Jordan 1 box is not your typical Jordan 1 box. It is the Travis Scott 1 brown. There it is. You guys got the size tag right there. Alright, guys, so let's open it up for the first time. Here you guys got the Cactus Jack tissue paper. You guys got another layer of paper also. Wow. Alright, guys, here they are, the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1. Now, off the bat, guys, this shoe is way better in person. Pictures do not do this shoe justice. The quality is absolutely insane. Alright, guys, let's take a look at the details right here, guys. There you guys have the infamous, which now infamous, backward swoosh. Really nice quality of suede. You got the Cactus Jack logo right there. It says Cactus Jack going along right there, just like the Jordan 4s. It does have the secret compartment, guys, right here. It's Velcro right there. Quality is absolutely insane. Look at the toe box. And yes, the quality is very good. Taking a look at the insole, got the Cactus Jack insole. Taking a look at the Nike Air with Cactus Jack right here. Super dope. You got a cream midsole, mocha bottoms. So yeah, guys, I might wear one shoe red and the other one pink. I don't know yet. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, like this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers. I would like to get there as quickly as possible. Alright, guys, that's Sneaker MI signing out.